this ever happen to you?
We here at Esteban Julio Ricardo Montoya de la Rosa Ramirez Incorporated aim to ensure no one has to ever fear opening a door with full hands again. Founded in 2018 by the sweet life of Zach and Cody Doorman, we have a passionate history of making opening doors just that much easier. We all know how doors can be tricky, but when both your hands are full, it can become an impossible task. Now there needed to be a solution to this problem that enabled people to open the door using some other body part. Our team sat down to brainstorm, utilizing both heuristics and morphological analysis, ways to overcome this problem. Next, we prototyped. Tasked with developing a new assistive door opening mechanism, we sent our best engineers into the field to create the perfect solution. After multiple hours of hard labor, we now present you with our revolutionary product. The
Assistive door opening mechanism
is the next step in door opening technology, as it enables complete door functionality by allowing the user to open the door using just their elbow. It can be attached to any standard door with a doorknob and does not interfere with one's ability to open the door normally. Watch as two of our engineers demonstrate how to properly attach the mechanism. She first opens the top clamp. She attaches the bottom clamp to the desired doorknob. She closes the top clamp. Next, she inserts her elbow into the arm support, and she pushes down to turn the doorknob and thus opening the door. Let's go back to the scene earlier to see how our product has changed our user's experience. Wow, look how happy he is. Who knew opening doors could be this easy? Let's look at some more of our paying customers. This family sure doesn't need an extra hand. This life-changing product will soon be available to all at the low cost of $39.99. We hope to see you on the other side.